Girls are struggling more than ever before all over the world because they lack the confidence to believe in themselves. They don't know how to access their inner tools to solve problems. They lack the important life skills they need to beat the tween confidence slump. Schools don't have specific programs or proven frameworks that empower them. Parents don't have enough skills and strategies to support them, and more importantly, there aren't enough girl leaders and programs that are accessible to girls everywhere and anywhere in the world. Here at Mighty Girl Mighty Life, we are changing this. In fact, we have created a gorgeous curriculum with proven frameworks that work and that create change, that empower young girls to start believing in themselves, and more importantly, to start embracing the mighty girl that she was born to be. Now, if you've ever wanted to be a girl empowerment leader, a girl empowerment coach, now's your opportunity to become a Mighty Girl Mighty Life certified empowerment coach and run our gorgeous workshops in your community, in your country, wherever you are. As a Mighty Girl Mighty Life empowerment coach and workshop facilitator, you'll be able to confidently empower and change the lives of girls in your community, wherever you are in the world, and build a thriving girl empowerment business you are going to love. Apply now at certifiedgirlempowermentcoach.com.
You are a mighty girl. You are a mighty girl.